Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can order a replacement card in M&T Bank. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, first of all open up your M&T mobile banking app, and now go ahead, enter your username and your password and tap on login. Once you have logged in, this is how it's gonna appear at the home section. All you gotta do is right over here, simply go ahead, tap on this option of menu given on top left section. Now from the menu list, go ahead, scroll down and tap on this option of card services listed in the M&T. Simply go ahead, tap on this card services option. Then afterwards you will find this fourth option, which is simply a report a lost or stolen card, order a replacement card, which we need. Go ahead, tap on order a replacement card. And then you're gonna find this option of select a reason, replace a card, report or stolen. So we simply want to replace, and we're gonna go to replace a card. If it's case indeed stolen or lost, and you're gonna go to report, gonna go to second option and simply lock your card so you can be in the safe side. Other than that, tap on replace a card option. Now go ahead, tap on this drop down icon and simply select the card that you would like to replace and simply choose a card from the list. And now this kind of notification gonna pop up. You can see the card mailing address is incorrect, please contact customer service, etc. Then once you have chosen, you're gonna find details regarding right over here. You can see credit card on top and your card mailing address, correct it if it's incorrect, then your shipping address, check that out and tap on submit. And there you go, you have your confirmation popping up. You're gonna again check out the details and tap on finish in the bottom, and you're good to go. Your card replacement order is now placed and you will receive it, and you're done. This is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.